Hey, so if you want better results from Google Gemini, yeah, everything depends on how you write your prompts. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to write powerful prompts in 2026. First thing, be clear and specific. Don't just say, write something, instead explain exactly what you want. Next, give context. So, tell Gemini what the topic is, who it's for, and why you need it. All right? Mention the format. Ask for a list, paragraph, script, or step-by-step guide. Now define the tone. You can ask for professional, casual, friendly, or even YouTube-style content. Next, give examples if possible. So this helps Gemini understand exactly what kind of output you expect. All right, break big tasks into smaller steps. This improves accuracy and makes results easier to follow. And yeah, improve your prompt over time, ask follow-up questions, or tweak your instructions for better results. So that's how you write prompts in Google Gemini. Once you master this, you'll get faster and much more accurate results.